Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A73. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices. Then tap on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on those two smartphones. Firstly, select I accept. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other device, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. On Samsung device, you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Then on Samsung Galaxy A73, tap on Receive at the bottom in the middle of Send and History. Also on A73, scroll all the way down and tap on the best option for your ads by choosing Yes, I agree or No thanks. Finally, you can tap on Close this window and go back to this Samsung smartphone. Click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. And when you finished, choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and send them later on. You can also just click on only a couple of them. Like that. Then tap on Send as well. From here, click on Got It in the pop-up. And finally choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon on A73 next to Input key above 00 guide. Tap on while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the QR code. If you wish to input this key though, you need to tap on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers, you have a lot of time to do it. And connect by using Receive button. So now when I click, as you can see, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!